Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply sell something on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's step into our video now. So if you want to sell some products here in this eBay shopping, you will have to know some of the basics for it. First of all, you have to access ebay.com on your browser and create yourself an account. Afterwards, you're going to find this kind of interface, right, including this option called ship to, sale, watch list, and my eBay option on top. First thing would be for you to go to this summary, go to this account section, and add in your payment method for you, the way you can receive the payments, right? Connect your PayPal, link your PayPal account will be easy, and then go back to your eBay section again. Now you will find the sell option on top, right? If you're going to tap on the sell option, you will find this option called list an item. Right, for that matter, you should simply scroll down and simply check out the what kind of listing you should create if you want to get more sales and stuff, which is just given right over there. And you can see, if you scroll down, actually eBay lets you to list around 200 items for free every month. So for 200 listing of yours, you do not have to pay anything to eBay, and you can simply sell your items and earn. And then tap on list an item afterward, and simply go ahead, add in the product that you want to sell over here. Once you have selected your particular product, you will get this recommendation below as well. If some of the matches, go ahead, select it and tap on this search option. Once you have done so, it will simply show you this find a match. If you need a match, you can go ahead, tap on this continue with match, or if you do not, simply tap on this color, brand, handmade, body shape. You select this information regarding your product, tap on this continue without match, and now you can choose new or used. If it's new, tap on new and tap on this continue to listing. And then afterwards, you got to fill out the information regarding your product just right over here. Once you're done, simply go down to the bottom and tap on the listed, or save it for later, listed. And then once your product is listed there on eBay with your account, people will be able to access it and purchase it. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.